Hi, welcome back to Barbecue After Cake. My name's Tom and today we're cooking dessert pizzas.
I'll set my hand grilled pizza stone up for an indirect cook. I've already got charcoal in the basket. It says this is a cook I'm doing directly after another cook. This make a great little dessert for kids. It's got a nice simple base for these pizzas, just a flour tortilla. We're just going to cover this in chocolate spread to use as our base. Then you should just layer on some fruit. I've used strawberries, raspberries and blueberries, but you can use any fruit you like. Finish off by sprinkling on some marshmallows. Dessert pizza straight onto the pizza stone, and it should take just about a minute. You just want it to crisp up underneath and the chocolate to start to bubble. It's been about a minute, we're just going to give it a check. The bottom's crisped up nicely, so it's time to take off. I'm going to use the hand grilled pizza peel that comes with the stone when you buy it. It's a great piece of kit. Once you take it off, let it cool for a moment, and that will make the bottom go really rigid. You also want to let it cool so that the marshmallows don't burn you, so like molten lava. We're going to get this cut up and give it a try.
Oh, beautiful. Just wait for chocolate and fruit. That's better than that. It's lovely. If you like what we're doing here at Barbecue After Cake, please should like the video. Leave me a comment underneath, let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel. That way you'll receive notifications on whenever I release another video. Thanks very much for watching.